Are you trying to decide between Fedora and Manjaro? You are not alone. Both are popular Linux distributions, but they serve different users. In this video, we will compare Fedora and Manjaro. We'll look at what they both offer, their unique features, and help you choose the right one for you. Both Fedora and Manjaro are based on Linux, which means they are open source and customizable. They both provide a great way to experience Linux, but they do have their differences. Let's start with Fedora. Fedora is known for its cutting edge technology. It often includes the latest software and features. This makes it a great choice for developers and tech enthusiasts who want to stay ahead of the curve. Fedora also focuses on stability and security, making it a reliable option for everyday use. Now, let's talk about Manjaro. Manjaro is based on Arch Linux, but it's much easier to use. It's designed for those who want a simple experience without losing power. Manjaro has a rolling release model, which means you get updates continuously instead of waiting for a new version. This is perfect for users who want the latest features without reinstalling their system. So, what are the main differences? Fedora tends to be more stable and is often used in professional environments. Manjaro, on the other hand, is user friendly and great for beginners. When it comes to features, Fedora offers strong security and a polished desktop experience. Manjaro provides multiple desktop environments, giving you more choices in how your system looks and feels. In terms of pricing, both Fedora and Manjaro are free to use. You won't need to spend any money to download and install them. In conclusion, if you are a developer or need a stable environment, Fedora might be the better choice. But if you are new to Linux and want an easy start, go with Manjaro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.